Alright, I'm doing a bike check on my Eastern Grim Reaper, updated from the last one. I got DK bars, Sigma bars, with ODI grips, ODI alloy bar ends. I got a Primo Annihilator V1 stem. Hold on, there. Carbon fiber headset spacers with FSA Impact headset. I got Shadow Captive forks. And white wall demolition momentum tires, and then a Sun Rhino Light Lace 2 profile mini hubs front and back. I got premium slim PC pedals, profile cranks, profile chain wheel, profile bottom bracket. Got a Colt seat, a kink seat post, same tire, same rim, Lace 2 profile mini back hub. I got oil slick axle bolts, and I think that's it. I'm gonna do another hub sound check. Alright, that's my bike. Oh shit, that's my bike.